How's it going, guys? Welcome to Ambro's Landscape YouTube channel. Today's video, we are in Florida. What are you doing, Wally, behind me? So today we are going to be relaxing, getting some cool shots, hanging out at the pool, and then we are going to be testing out some Gravely equipment. Yep. If I don't get a lot of views on this video, it's because of Wally. Nope. So anyways, so here with Wally and Leah. Well, Leah's somewhere, and so are the birds. Anyways, we're gonna have some fun on this trip. We're gonna get some good shots, so let's get going.
Hey, hold up, man. I got something to say, man. Wait. What y'all out here for, man? What you here for, huh? Does your life matter? Does your life matter? You ready for this? You ready to take control? Are you giving up control or are you taking control? Get deleted. You ready to get deleted or you ready to take control? Huh?
Okay. That was great.
Pack your bags, girl, let's get out of Dodge. Sick of living life, sick of counting scars. We the ones who go to war against the gods. We the shadows that move around in the dark. Take your life back, take your time, wicked. Welcome to the tribe, check the rhyme, wicked. I was doing bad, couldn't find wicked. Now my phone ringing all the time, wicked. We the only ones, holy sons. Mama's dead, kids holding guns. Catch 'em early, put that poison in they bottles with a Donald Trump. Walking around with the zombies. I know my home team got me. Michael Jordan with the Scotty, Apollo Creed with the Rocky. We gon' take it fast, you can take it slow. We don't take no risks, we just take control.
Alright guys, we just got here to Sebring to the racetrack.
Hey, Wally. Hey, buddy.
I need to get other people on my video besides you.
No, buddy. No.
This video's gonna be titled Wally, basically. So we just went ahead and showed up at the racetrack, guys, so we're gonna be doing a lot of testing of the equipment and some other fun stuff, so time to get some pretty good shots. Show everyone how we do it. Let's show them how we do it.
Take control. Launch your flags. Let's get it smashed. Go. Take control. We gotta take control. Hands up. Let's take control. Get on your feet. Let's take control. Fight for what you know. Get on your feet. Let's take control.
With it now, break the pillars down. I don't fall in love, I just hit it now. She said, why is that? I just gave it fast, gave my heart up once and I ain't get it back. Turn into a savage, happy with the madness, sick of living broke. Trying to find a balance, moving through the pain, but they steady fouling, bearing on my fruits, feeding my appetite.
Take it fast, you can take it slow. We don't take no breaks, we just take control. Let's take control. Fight the power. Right now, everybody bring it. Light it on fire. Every time we've been down, we take control. It's our country, baby. Take control. Let's go. Get on your feet. Let's take control.
So we were finishing the day here testing stuff, and sadly I crashed my drone. It's pretty bad. It's done, so we gotta send that in. It was not operator error. No. I don't want to...
Not to compare his piloting skills to mine on a moving boat in 20-mile-an-hour winds.
You had people to help you.
No.
You had so many eyes on that thing. Anyways, you guys will see that footage later. But anyways, so yeah, it's total. I gotta send that in. But anyways, we had a lot of fun testing out and stuff. I get to try a few mowers, but
Which one are you taking? Which one are you
I'm taking the stand-on mower because I've never used a stand-on mower.
I think most of us are doing it.
Everyone's doing the stand-on. So I don't think I'm gonna change it.
End the story though. Made a great company, great TV, great fun.
That's all good.
Oh, I was gonna go.